Hello guys and welcome back to another video. This is Jonathan, your Udemy instructor, and today I'm going to show you how to make your text, how to skew your text. In another way, how to make your text slant onto Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's start. First, I believe you have your text here. Now you want to make it slant. Right? So go to type. Go to type shear object transform and click on shear. Make sure you have your text selected before you do this. So again, object transform and shear. Now the moment you click shear, this icon will come up. So you need to you can set it to the shear angle. So like how many degrees? For in this instance, we're just going to use 30 degree. And now you see that the text has slant. So that's how you slant a text if you really want uh, to make your text, to beautify your text. You say if you're doing a brochure, you want to make it nicer, more attractive. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. So do stay tuned to my next tutorial. See you guys.